Subscribe to LAVIN Love and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates when I upload a video.
Regularly, your hairs will straighten up, makes your hair smooth, soft and shiny, and also stops hair fall and also promotes hair growth. Hey guys, welcome back to LAVIN Love. So in today's video, I'm gonna share a simple hair pack yet effective that makes your hair straight and also stops hair fall and also promotes hair growth. So let's begin the video. We just need a couple of things for this, that's it. Firstly, we need fenugreek seeds, also called as methi. We just need normal water. If you wish, you can even use pure water. And of course a bowl to soak it. So now in a bowl I'm taking around 4 to 5 spoons of fenugreek seeds. And then gonna wash it off to make sure that impurities is gone. And then adding pure water or just normal water goes fine. And leave it on at least for 48 hours to soak. Actually, these seeds can be just soaked for 8 hours itself. But to get the sprouts out of it and to get the maximum benefit out of it, we need at least that much of time. After 48 hours, the seeds will look like this. That is, it's sprouted as you can see. And then I'm gonna blend it using blender. And one more thing, don't throw away this gel water. I'll be making a separate video on this. After blending, this would look something like this. See the texture of this? It looks so smooth and beautiful, isn't it? To use, just take this pack and apply onto your clean shampooed hair and then rinse it off after an hour, or you can increase the duration as per your convenience. and this will give you an instant straightening effect, and if used regularly your hairs will straighten up, makes your hair smooth, soft and shiny, and also stops hair fall and also promotes hair growth. So that's it for now. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If so, give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, where I'll be posting some interesting stuffs apart from this. Also check out my website. All the links are provided in the description. See you all in my next video. This is Lavanya winding up. Thanks for watching. Bye.